Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring you this Mutt Super 4, the 125 version, which is basically, as you can see, it's a funky style motorcycle based on the 70s custom Japanese style, and it is a really nice motorcycle. The guys from Birmingham, it's where the Mutt factory is, they did a really nice assembly of parts on the motorcycle. Everything is super easy, super simple, and very accessible for you if you're not a mechanic and if you have a problem. Having said this, let's start looking at the specs of the motorcycle from the front to the rear. Looking at the front of the motorcycle, so we do have this round headlights with a grid on the front. It gives it a really nice look. The lights are not LED, except the blinkers, which are brushed aluminum bullet indicators. Then we have short alloy mudguards, telescopic suspension with anodized caps, and then we do have these spoked rims, 18 inches, that come equipped with these knobby tires from Team Sum 120/90 on the front, exactly the same tires that equipped the rear, and they, as you can see, they are a really big and chunky tires for this motorcycle. The rear, we do have this seat, which is a really nice design seat with this stitching, the diamond shape that I will talk to you because it matches the handlebar. Everything here says Mutt motorcycles, really nice. The lights on the rear, everything it's LED. Again, we do have the brushed aluminum on the blinkers, as the same one on the tail light. Again, the same short mud guards exactly as in the front. Also, we have these handlebars for the pillion, which are really nice, chromed. The twin shock, which also it is chrome, really nice look to the motorcycle. One disc, the transmission is chain, and then we do have, exactly like I said, the same tires that we have on the front, the same spoked rims, 18 inches spoked rims, with the Twin Sum 120/90. Regarding the engine, it's a 125 cc's, 1 cylinder, 4-stroke, air cooled. It has 12 horsepower and a torque of 10 newtons. It has a 5-speed gearbox, and this one, it's an Euro 4 model. I'm still waiting for the new one, and with the right conditions, because of these big tires and because of I'm a heavy guy and blah blah blah, the top speed I was able to reach was 100 kilometers an hour, where they do say that the top speed it's around 110. So I wasn't too far from the top speed. Regarding the handlebar, so we do have these mirrors, which are round, not the shape that I like, but they do give a nice view for the back, they don't shake too much. We do have this diamond shaped grips, which is very nice. It goes according to the stitching on the seat, like I showed you before. And it's a very simple handlebar. Passing lights, high beams, low beams, blinkers left and right, and we do have a horn. On this other side, we have the kill switch and the starter of the motorcycle. Another interesting thing, we do have here Mutt motorcycles engraved on the handlebar. The dashboard, it's a very simple dashboard, okay? We have the speed in miles and kilometers, an odometer, and then the Christmas lights, fuel, alternator, and blinkers. Very simple, nothing much to it. Backlight, it's a gradient between the blue and red. It gives it a nice look. An ignition where you can put the keys to connect the motorcycle, and like I said, everything simple, but everything works. Fuel, 12-liter tank. So this is a 125, I'm guessing around 2.5 liters to 3 liters every 100 kilometers. So 350 kilometers range with the motorcycle, maybe a little bit more. I don't have enough time to test all those things. Like I said, the engine, it's 12 horsepower. When we are riding on the street, it is more than enough to reach the 110 kilometers an hour, which I was not able to do because we do have these big tires on the front. I'm a heavy guy, 93 kilograms, naked motorcycle, 1.85 m, everything was against me, so the maximum speed I was able to do was 100 kilometers, which it is okay. But then we do have this exhaust, okay, which gives a nice sound, especially in the middle of traffic, and it's factory. I have to mention. And another thing I have to mention, this one I'm riding, it's Euro 4 model. We do have the Euro 5 coming out, which has two major differences from this one. First, the exhaust will be a little bit less noise. The second one, it will be the suspension that it will be more softer than this one, which is too hard. Seat height, I have no idea because I didn't find that information, but I guess it's lower than the 800 millimeters because I do have a nice bend on my knees. Then we do have this riding position, which is a traditional riding position for the motorcycle. My legs are well fitted on the tank. I have no problems. If I put my arms on handlebar, I do have a slight bend on my elbow, which is nice, and we do have this up straight position on the back. The only thing here, like I said, the suspension are a little bit on the arch, and you do feel it well while riding, especially on the street. And to finalize, I want to mention that you can find this motorcycle in two colors, this blue and another one, gold. And also to remind you of my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for our motorcycles. It only works in Portugal, but at the moment it's on the best I can do, which gives you the first month free. And also don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!